Dear students, previous video you studied about the function and type of the function also. This is exercise 1.5 introduction. In this exercise I am going to explain the composition of functions. Here already you know f of x equal to, suppose x plus 2 means f of 2. If I asked f of 2 means instead of the x you want to substitute this 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, you know it. For example, f of 1 plus x, if I am asking means this is you want to substitute instead of the x. So 1 plus x plus 2. That also you want to write it. That is equal to x plus 3. This is about one function. Here I am going to explain about the two functions. Another one function also I am taking as a g. Here the combination of the two function is composition of the function. Here we are going to study. Composition of the function is denoted by f composite g of x. F composite g of x. This is not dot, small circle. That is equal to, we can write it as a f of g of x. Like you want to write it. F composite g of x equal to f of, with the bracket, that is I am saying is a of g of x, like you want to write it. The g of x function separately given to you, that is you want to substitute in the f. For example, we will see f of x equal to 2x. For example, I am saying g of x equal to 1 plus x. They are asking that f composite g of x. So that is equal to, I said to you, for removing this composite, f of g of x, like you want to write it. That is equal to f, the g of x is what they are given to you, 1 plus x. That you want to write it here. So this 1 plus x is you want to substitute in the f function. So 1 plus x is you want to substitute instead of the x in the f function. So 2 into 1 plus x. Again horizontal multiplication, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2x, you will get it. Can you understand? Next I am going to explain the g composite f. G composite f of x, that is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x, that is equal to g of, this f of x function is what you are having, 2x. So 2x, this 2x is you want to substitute in the g function. So g function is what, 1 plus x. Instead of this x you want to substitute this 2x. So 1 plus 2x. This is your g composite f. This is your f composite g. Both is not equal. So composition of the function is not commutative. Exercise 1.5, first sum, f of x equal to x minus 6, g of x equal to x squared. They asked to find f composite g and g composite f, and also to verify f composite g equal to g composite f or not. They asked the question like that. First you want to find out the f composite g and then g composite f. For that, f composite g, f composite g of x equal to f of g of x. So that is equal to f of, your g of x is what they are given to you, x squared. X squared is here, no, that you want to write it. This x squared is you want to substitute in f function instead of the x. So this variables and all you want to substitute instead of the x only. So this x squared you want to substitute instead of the x. So x squared minus 6. This is your f composite g. Next we want to find out g composite f of x. That is equal to, we know g of f of x. That is equal to g of, what's your f of x here? F of x is x minus 6. X minus 6. This is you want to substitute it in g. G function is x squared. Instead of the x only we are substituting this x minus 6. So x minus 6 the whole squared. You want to write it a minus b the whole squared. Already I said a minus b the whole squared equal to a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we have to expand x squared minus 2 into x into 6. So 12x plus b squared is what? 36. This is your second one. That means G composite F. This is your F composite G of x. 1. Both is equal or not equal. So from 1 and 2, F composite G is not equal to G composite F. Exercise 1.5, the first Roman, 5 sums we have. First sum I explained to you. These 3 sums are homework to you. The fifth sum, last sum, now I am going to explain. Fifth question, f of x equal to 4x squared minus 1, g of x equal to 1 plus x. Find f composite g, g composite f, check, otherwise verify. F composite g equal to g composite f or not. They are asking to you. Again, here I said f composite g of x equal to f of g of x. Then f of the g of x is what you are having? 1 plus x. This is you want to substitute in the f function instead of the x I said to you. Here the f function is what? 4x squared minus 1. Instead of the x only you want to substitute. So remaining and all as it is 4 1 plus x the whole squared. You know, instead of the x only we are substituting, the squared will come as it is. The 4 is also here. Remaining minus 1 also you want to write it here, minus 1 also. Same as it is this variable 1 plus x only we are substituting in the f function, that is instead of the x. Again a plus b the whole squared, 4 into a plus b the whole squared, a squared 1 plus 2ab 2x plus b squared x squared minus 1 separate. Now the 4 is you want to multiply inside multiplication, 4 plus 8x plus 4x squared minus 1, that is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. We can write it 3 plus 3 we can. Next one is what? G composite f. G composite f of x equal to, this is your first one. G composite f, how we can write it? G of f of x we can write it. Here g of f of x is what? 4x squared minus 1. So I have to write it as a 4x squared minus 1. This is you want to substitute in the g function. G function is 1 plus x they are given to you. 1 plus x. Instead of the x you want to substitute this one. So 1 plus 4x squared minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. You are getting 4x squared. 4x squared. This is your second. They are asking that f composite g equal to g composite f or not. From 1 and 2, f composite g not equal to g composite f. This is not always true. For some of the function it may be true. Second Roman, they are given f of x equal to 3x plus 2, g of x equal to 6x minus k they are given. Another one condition is also they are given to you, f composite g equal to g composite f. Both is equal they are given. They asked to find the value of the k. You see here one unknown variable k is here. Instead of this k, which number will come? That only we want to calculate using this condition. So first you want to find out the f composite g, then g composite f. After that equating these two you can get the unknown variable. That only here we are going to do. Solution is first what I said, f composite g of x. So f composite g of x is f of g of x. So that is equal to f of, what is for g of x? 6x minus k. That is you want to substitute in the f function I said to you. The f function is 3x plus 2. So 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. That is equal to inside multiplication 18x minus 3k plus 2. We can write it, that is your f composite g we can write it. And then next what do you want to find out? G composite f. G composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. That is equal to g of, what is our f of x? F of x is what they are given, 3x plus 2. That is, you want to substitute in the g function. G function is what? 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. That is 18x plus 12 minus k. That is your second one. This is your first one. Given that f composite g equal to g composite f. So we can write it as a f composite g is what? 18x minus 3k plus 2 equal to g composite x is 18x plus 12 minus k, we can write it. Here the 18x we can cancel it, because if you are bringing one side, minus will get, so we can cancel this side. Minus 3k, k and all one side you have to take it, minus 3k plus k, that is equal to 12 minus 2. Minus 3k plus k is what? Minus 2k, equal to 12 minus 2 is 10. So k is equal to 10 by minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. So k is equal to minus 5. So here we can find out the k value. What the question they given, f of x, g of x, they are given to you. They gave the condition is also f composite g equal to g composite x. Find the value of the k. Sums and all circle in pen, that and all homework to you. First Roman I said already the 3 sums. Second Roman, this sum I explained to you. This sum is a homework to you. The third sum is same model, but the question is f of x they are given to you. G of x is also they are given. They asked to show that f composite g equal to g composite f equal to x. That means you have to check it. You are getting the answer is x or not. Next, the fourth Roman, f of x they are given, g of x they are given. Find a if g composite f of a is equal to 1. This sum I will explain to you now. The second sum, no, that model, same model, the second sum, this is homework to you. Now, the fourth Roman, first sum. That is, they are given to you. F of x equal to x squared minus 1. G of x equal to x minus 2. And another one condition is also they are given to you. G composite f of a is equal to 1. G composite f of a. Till now, x only we are studied. Here they are given as a a. That is not a problem. Instead of the x, you want to substitute the a. The finally we can substitute is that is equal to 1 means what the value of a they are asking to you. Solution. G composite f of a they said. First I am calculating the g composite f of x. Afterwards, instead of the x, I am substituting the a. G composite f of x. That is equal to what? G of f of x. That is equal to g of your f of x is x squared minus 1. That is you want to substitute in the g function. So x squared minus 1 minus 2. That is equal to x squared minus 3. This is your g composite f of x. But in question they gave the condition as g composite f of a equal to, that only they are given to you. So instead of the x I am changing the a. Any constant they may give, just you have to change it. That's all. A squared minus 3. And given that g composite f of a equal to 1. That is a squared, this is we are calculated a squared minus 3. So a squared minus 3 is equal to 1. So a squared is equal to, you are taking this one 4. A is equal to plus or minus 2. So a value only they asked, a value is plus or minus 2. You have to complete all the sums in your notebook. You have to keep the notebook as a classwork notebook. Here I am going to give the assignment sums also. That sum you have to do it in the separate notebook, assignment 1.